Unlocking innovation with brainwriting. Innovation isn't just a buzzword. It's the lifeline of success in today's fast-paced, ever-changing world. But let's be honest, traditional brainstorming doesn't always cut it. Too often, the loudest voices dominate while quieter team members hold back. That's where brainwriting comes in, a simple, structured way to give everyone a voice and spark more creative ideas. So, what exactly is brainwriting? At its core, brainwriting flips the script on brainstorming. Instead of throwing out ideas out loud and risking groupthink, team members jot their ideas down in silence. Sheets of paper or even digital documents get passed around, giving others the chance to build on those thoughts or even add fresh ones. By the end, you've got a stack of ideas shaped by multiple perspectives, without the pressure of competing for airtime. How brainwriting works, step by step. Here's how you can run a brainwriting session. Step 1, rising to be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Set the stage. Decide who's participating, how long the session will last, and what materials you'll use: paper, sticky notes, or even a shared document. The key is to create a calm, focused environment. Step 2, frame the challenge. Give the team a clear, specific problem, or even a topic to tackle. Clarity at this stage sets the tone for useful ideas later. Step 3, silent idea dump. Each person takes a few minutes to write down their ideas individually. No discussion, just focused thinking. Step 4, pass and build. Sheets or even documents rotate to the next person. Now they can expand on an existing idea or add something brand new. This continues until the pages are packed with insights. Step 5, share and discuss. Finally, the group reviews all the ideas together. This is where the magic happens. You start spotting themes, combining concepts, and prioritizing what to take forward. Why brainwriting works so well? Brainwriting levels the playing field. Introverts can feel just as empowered as extroverts, and the group avoids falling into the trap of first idea bias, where the earliest suggestion steers everyone else. Plus, by building ideas in layers, you often end up with solutions that are more creative and well-rounded than anything a single person might come up with. Bottom line, if your brainstorming sessions feel a bit stale or even unbalanced, give brainwriting a shot. It's easy to set up scales with groups, big or small, and it ensures that everyone is contributing. The result, more creativity, better collaboration, and solutions that don't just come from the loudest voice in the room. Brainwriting has clear advantages over traditional brainstorming. It's not just about generating ideas, it's about creating a process where creativity and productivity can thrive. It encourages everyone to contribute. Brainwriting gives every team member a voice, even those who might be hesitant to speak up, in a group setting. This ensures all perspectives are captured and even valued. It cuts down on bias and groupthink. With ideas generated silently, team members aren't influenced by others' opinions, helping to prevent dominant voices from steering the discussion and even fostering original thinking. It keeps the process structured. Brainwriting follows a clear framework, keeping sessions focused and even productive, which is especially helpful when tackling complex or even challenging problems. It generates more and higher quality ideas. The parallel contribution process leads to a larger volume of ideas, and layering insights from multiple team members improves the quality of solutions. It boosts creativity and efficiency. By allowing individuals to work simultaneously and build on each other's ideas, teams generate creative solutions faster and more effectively than in traditional brainstorming sessions. It strengthens collaboration and teamwork. Even though contributions start individually, the process encourages people to expand on others' ideas, creating a sense of shared ownership and improving team dynamics. The bottom line, brainwriting isn't just about producing ideas. It's about creating better ideas faster while making the entire team feel engaged and empowered. For teams tired of traditional brainstorming, it's a game-changing approach that drives both innovation and collaboration. How to make brainwriting work for your team. Brainwriting isn't just a concept. It's a practical way to get everyone's creative juices flowing. Here's how to bring it to life with your team. 1. Promote independent thinking. Start by encouraging team members to write ideas silently before sharing. This ensures everyone contributes equally and prevents dominant voices from taking over. Every idea counts, even the small ones. 2. Define the challenge clearly. Give your team a precise problem or even a goal to tackle. Clear prompts generate relevant, actionable ideas, while vague prompts lead to scattered results. 3. Set up a structured environment. Brainwriting thrives in structure. Assign clear time limits for each round. Provide all necessary materials. And ensure that everyone understands the real process. Structure doesn't stifle creativity, it focuses it. 4. Foster collaboration. Once ideas are on paper, encourage team members to build on each other's ideas. This layer of collaboration can strengthen solutions and create shared ownership. 5. Evaluate and prioritize. After the session, review all of the ideas. Decide on the most promising concepts through group discussion or a designated evaluator. Focus on ideas with the highest potential impact. And 6. Implement and test. Ideas are only as good as their execution. Prototype, test, or even validate selected ideas and redefine them as needed. This turns creativity into tangible results. Pro tip, make brainwriting a regular habit. Teams that practice it consistently not only generate more ideas, but also improve communication and trust. Over time, creativity becomes part of your team's DNA, not just a one-off session. Unlock team creativity with brainwriting. Brainwriting is more than just a brainstorming alternative. It's a proven method for tapping into the full creative potential of your team. By encouraging everyone to contribute, reducing bias and even groupthink, boosting productivity, and providing a structured environment, brainwriting ensures that no idea gets lost and every voice is heard. Teams can generate high-quality ideas faster, build on each other's insights, and turn complex challenges into actionable solutions. Implementing brainwriting doesn't have to be complicated. Start with clear challenges, structured rounds of independent ideation, and collaborative idea building. Follow through with evaluation, prioritization, and testing. And your team will not only generate more ideas, but also feel empowered by the process. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Steve Jobs. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now, let's get into our recap. Conclusion. Make innovation a habit. The true power of brainwriting comes from consistency. Make it a regular part of your team's workflow, and watch innovation become ingrained in your culture. When every team member feels that their ideas really matter, and momentum is built from small actionable steps, creativity can flourish, and your team delivers smarter, faster, and more impactful solutions. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobee or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.